The Quran as it explains itself.
قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है। قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है।
القرآن الكريم يفسر نفسه.
Continuous toil, turmoil, and strife. Al-Baqarah, 237. The solution to this catastrophe was beyond human redress. Then Adam received words of guidance from his Lord and he accepted his repentance. Certainly, he is the acceptor of repentance, the most merciful. Adam equals ඈdam equals man. His wife equals woman. Udma equals ability to live together as a community. ඈdam from Udma thus indicates humankind. The word Eve or Hawwa is not mentioned in the Quran. She is described with dignity as Mer'a-til-Aadam equals Adam's Zaujah equals wife, consort, maid of Adam equals Mrs. Adam. The Quran adopts the beautiful method of either gently correcting or ignoring the errors in other scriptures. It does not repeat the biblical fallacy of Eve having been created from Adam's rib. She also repented and God treated both of them equally. See verses 7:23-24. Again, Adam and his wife mean humankind, male and female. Tawbah equals repentance equals returning to the right path equals realizing one's fault and taking corrective action. See verses 4:17, 4:18, 5:39, 3:89, 6:54, 16:119, 24:5, 27:71. Al-Baqarah, 238. We said, for now, all of you are degraded to a lower level of existence, out of this state of felicity paradise. But, when guidance comes to you from me, those who will follow my guidance, on them shall be no fear from without, nor shall they have any grief from within. Note here the multiple plural all of you, confirming that Adam and his wife are allegorical terms for the humankind. Incidentally, the word Eve is nowhere mentioned in the Quran, once again Adam denoting humankind. Qaf equals fear from without. Huzn equals intrinsic depression or grief equals unhappiness equals regret. Al-Baqarah, 239. But those who reject our messages or deny them in practice, such will be the rightful dwellers of the fire. They will abide therein. Al-Baqarah, 240. One example is that of the Israelites. O children of Israel! Remember my blessings that I bestowed upon you when you were following my commandments. Fulfill your promise to me and I will fulfill my promise to you. And fear none but me. Fear the consequences of violating divine commands. See verses 247, 2:83-85, 2:122, 3:61, 5:12-13, 5:70, 9:111, 45:16. Page number 15.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences.